What's up, No Limits? Checking out NASDAQ here. Morning, Sharon. I think NASDAQ's gonna blast up to the next zone. Hey, good morning, Oryx Albert. Kind of annoyed on this USD CAD hourly. I had this shit marked up. My entry was way too early yesterday. Yeah, I had that shit marked good. That would have been another $500 trade. Perfect trend line off an M. As soon as I hit that trend line, boom. What a drop. See if we can get a buy entry before the open though. I see a bullish flag. 612. I think I want to go with the buy. EP to the next zone, 1544. 15,554, I mean. Yeah, I think I might put a buy in. I'll get out if price drops below this last wick. Especially you got like a little trend line here too. As long as it doesn't break that trend line, I think the open gap's up. EP would be up here, 15,554. We'll go exactly 15,550 as TP. So about 150 bucks. We got more clickbait titles today, 100% win rate. Morning ganja. We gotta trade more Forex. I swear shit like USD CAD just moves so fucking pure. Yesterday afternoon I was looking at an entry right here and I didn't pull the trigger. Did not pull the trigger. Bullish flag on NASDAQ. I think US 30's finally. Oh, yeah. You know what? US 30 finally did hit that zone. 35,000 yesterday. It was too early for us to enter. And boom. Went up. Tested the trend line again. And then finally hits 35,000 right here. Oh, here we go. This is gonna go with some news. So, stock futures edge higher ahead of inflation report, and Apple will unveil a new iPhone today. Really? So I assume Apple's gonna gap up today. NASDAQ should be an easy TP up here. This one is the force index indicator, golden booty. Ganja, well, yeah, it says this was published an hour ago, so sounds like Apple hype on the iPhone pushed US 30 up. Kangaroo, you got that shit setting up good? Hey, good morning, family. What's up, Fuse? Current situations, bullish flag on NASDAQ. Yo, one of my cryptos finally blasted off Gala, but I'm having some major issues selling it right now. Like, this shit just fucking rocketed yesterday. Jumped up 270%. I was up a cool like 4,000 bucks. I'm still up 1,800, but having issues selling. Uniswap is very, very confusing. No trading for you for a week, Forex. Yeah, so I'm trying. I gotta swap my Gala back for some Ethereum. And I'm having issues with it. Kind of annoying, but it might, I don't know, it might be a good thing if this shit goes parabolic one more time. Because my entry is way down here on the bottom. But my original analysis was for this shit to go parabolic one more time. And it basically almost made a double top. So maybe it's a good thing. I'll just keep holding that shit. Forex, you need to pick up one of these. What is it? The Microsoft Surface? If I can grab it. Let's see where they're at. You get one of these. Microsoft Surface. Battery life is like 6-8 hours. We got 8 minutes, so we should let's watch Apple for a second at the open. I predict Apple is going to gap up, but it's going to come back down immediately to retest. If it doesn't, then maybe it retests all the way back down here. And it's like a weird M, as long as this trend line don't get broken. Well, I mean, we have two little baby kangaroos. One here, one here. If anybody wants to hop on the ride, put a buy in, do a little bit smaller lot size, and I would get out of the trade if it breaks like here, goes lower than this wick. God damn it, I set my chat timer up to go every 25 minutes. And it's going every 5 minutes. That's not what I had set up. I only wanted the spam links once every 30 minutes, not once every 5 minutes. Fuck. Oh, there's some other good news. Amazon has good news. Let's see. Amazon Incorporated raised its average starting pay to 18 per hour. And said it would hire 125,000. Okay, so a lot of bullish news coming out you got about 5 minutes to put a buy in if this trend continues. Though the good news could also fuck everybody, as they know everyone's gonna be bullish. Yep, catch you later, Forex Husky. Thanks for stopping by here. Damn. I think USD CAD might bounce back up. I need me another $500 trade on USD CAD. We got 3 kangaroos on NASDAQ now. This is probably the final candle opportunity to put a buy on. But get out of this fucking trade if it drops below here, though, of course. Ooh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin might be a buy. That's a bullish flag too. Interesting. Bitcoin and NASDAQ have like almost the same charts right now. Not sure about US 30. Yeah, US 30 does too, so very interesting. If Apple gaps down, I'm going to be very surprised. Oh boy. We got some dumb comments about the scammer videos. Guy said, "This dude is so bittered. Who even knows? You clearly hating because man is far greater than you. Attention, a seeker, and a loser." Okay. Look at his fucking profile picture. Like, come on, bro. You dress like a fucking blood? You dress like a gangbanger? Get the fuck off YouTube comment. Of course gangbangers are gonna like that, dude. Alright, let's get the push up. We got a minute and a half here. Guys, I didn't know that asking for proof of someone to turn $0 to $500,000 is hating. I didn't know that. Alright, minute and a half. Alright, if this trade does hit my stop loss, we gotta be ready to look for another buy entry like down here or something. Gotta be ready for both possibilities. Bitcoin blasting off. That's so weird. Why is Bitcoin blasting off at the New York Open? It's only gonna drop if Apple drop. If Apple gaps down, then we're obviously go down. We got 20 seconds though. And then I'll quickly check out Amazon. $10 seconds. What is Apple gonna do? Okay, it gapped up. It gapped up. I think we should set break even. Okay, Apple gapped up. We might smash TP very, very soon though. 77. Let's see. Let's see if it gets one more push up. People might be taking profits on Apple though right now. Uh-oh, the market fucking stopped. What the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? Come on, we might smash that next zone ASAP. ASAP. Come on, Apple. We like new iPhones. $97, I might take profit at 100, let's see. Okay, there's no bullish divergence. I'm gonna close. I'll close 95. Might try to enter another buy off this candle, let's see. Unless it's gonna go down right away. How much did we make? Okay, we made 88 on that open. I'm not bitching. I'm not complaining. That's how you play the fucking open off Apple, though. Like, come on, we were anticipating that. We saw the bullish news. The new iPhone release. We'll take our profits. Should probably get a retest open. Yeah, people taking profits. Let's see what Amazon did. Let's see if Amazon... Ooh, yeah, Amazon gapped up too. But we might fill this gap down here. But you know, there is no divergences yet. There is no divergence. Yeah, we gotta put a line on the open price because it just might bounce off here and we head back up. I know motherfuckers just took a lot of profits. We can make a couple $100 here if we can time this perfectly. Time this shit perfectly. $15,507 is the open price. Guys, I would say everybody enter a buy if we retest this open. Right now, if you buy, I think it's way too risky. But Apple, I mean, Apple might retest here. And a Kangaroo Tail on US 31 minute. Yeah, I don't... There must have been other stocks that gapped down on US 30s. It might be a tech morning. Let's see what Bitcoin did. Woo! Alright. We need to be looking for buys. Let's see. It's going to be tricky though. This is definitely not the candle to buy. Actually, maybe when I close profits there, I should enter the sell right away. Okay, down. NASDAQ is a buy, but not yet. Not yet. It's still gonna be bullish. Wait a minute. Divergence was just here. We got bearish divergence. Divergence has finally showed up. Of course we noticed the divergence hindsight. So it makes sense why it dropped right away. Remember, NASDAQ, when there's divergence at NASDAQ's open, probably 95% of the time it's going to drop back to the open. Huh. The US 30 is way too choppy right now. Okay, so got the move that I predicted. Went down. Is it a buy now? Might be a buy now. Might be a buy. In that case, I will do lot size, lot size. Yeah, I think it's another buy right now. Stop loss would be below that wick. 0.2. Kangaroo Tail now. Bearish Kangaroo Tail. Might be a... Is it a sell now? Is it a sell now? No, I don't think it's a sell right now. I think the market is trying to fuck with us right now. This is not the entry candle. Patience. We're retesting the trend line and the open price again. And Apple still has not dropped. But let's just mark up what we see. Another possible trend line that could send us down though, actually. I think Apple's going to go to the next hourly zone. I'm fucking in the buy. I'm in the buy. I'll get out if we break this trend line. Actually, yeah, I'll get out if we retest this wick. Ah, fuck. Okay. I lost 45 there. Fuck, I should have took the sell on Kangaroo Tail. God damn it. See if it goes back up to the trend line. I think NASDAQ is turning bearish now. Come on, we're going to try to have a third winning day in a row. Can we do it? We're up like 40. We made 88 on that first trade, lost 45, so we're up 40. But we don't want 40. 200 to 300 is the goal. And this might be the sell here. See, I would like to sell right now, but I would rather see price hit the trend line first. I want to see it hit the trend line or either the open. See, I feel like FOMO hits in these situations where you want to enter the sell right away, but in the back of your mind, you know it has a better chance to probably hit that trend line. Do I enter now? Do I enter now? If I enter now, I feel like this is FOMO. Well, unfortunately, I gotta change the title today to 50% win rate. Won one, lost one. Patience, I want to see this trend line hit. Though if it does go lower right now, shit. It's a risky take, missing the move altogether by not entering right there. But I want to enter off the trend line. I don't just want to enter off FOMO. Fuck me. Ugh, we could have already had our $200, $300 day. Because of my broker change. When I had a change in got broker, I settled on N1CM. They don't have a digit on US30, so the spread's bigger on US30 there, so. And, honestly, I feel like NASDAQ just moves more pure. You know what? I'm gonna put the ego aside and just enter a sell, but a much smaller lot. Wait. Green. Alright. Yeah, like, I mean, EOS 30 looks like chalk right now. Wow, what a reversal on USD CAD on the M. USD CAD straight to the moon. My god. Alright. The market makers may get me here, but I'm seeing too much bearish movement. Seeing too much bearish movement. I will get out of this sell if we go above here, obviously. Fuck, there's bullish divergence now. I did not notice that until now. God damn it. Fuck. I did not notice that bullish divergence. Well, see what happens. Just because there's divergence doesn't mean it's automatically going to pop up instantly. I think I gotta get out, guys. I think I gotta get out, honestly. See if this trend line breaks. We need a rejection right now. We need rejection right now. I think Apple's on its way to make new highs, though. Not gonna close yet. Okay, the trend has still not been broken yet. I might have to be willing to risk like $100 on this trade. Okay, we got a bearish Kangaroo Tail on the trend line. That could be good. Do we get the rejection? Interesting. Apple just may. Okay. If Apple fills this gap, we're winning this trade. Will Apple break out and fill the gap? You know what? We don't even need to look at NASDAQ. We only need to pay attention to Apple right now. Okay, Apple just broke out. Well, not necessarily break out, but just made a new low of the day. Apple, new low of the day. I think the odds are in the favor for Apple to fill the gap, though. But I did fuck up, you know, like I said. Well, I don't know why I entered here instead of waiting for price to hit the trend line. I made a noob move right there. The FOMO got me. Hey, what's going on, Ricardo? Yeah, I haven't ran a stop loss yet, Miles, but it might be a good idea to put that stop loss in now. Yeah, I only want to lose about 50 on this trade if I do lose. And I'm down to make 100, so maybe about 2 hours we're going for. Okay. Apple, you continue making new lows, please. Come on, make a new low, baby. Fill that fucking gap, come on. Having some deja vu about the trend line we traded yesterday. Are we going to get a monster drop today as well? I think it's time to reduce some stops. Lower our risk. Oh yeah. I want to hold for TP. For about $100. Could set a break even now. I'm halfway there to my TP. Halfway there to TP, guys. Yeah, you know what? I probably would have already been up 100 right now if I was not a fucking noob and waited to enter off the trend line. Like, come on, I've seen this pattern over and over. Why did I enter on the FOMO? I think I'll secure a break even right now. We still got quite a ways for NASDAQ to drop, or Apple to drop. So I think we actually gauge our TP for NASDAQ's gap. Though Apple might do a break and retest, which would hit my break even. Ooh, a TP would have already been a hit based on where you mark your zone up. Alright, I like that. We're getting some wicks. Getting some wicks. TP is right down here. Will we hit our TP? Fuck out of here, green. Get out of here, green. No green allowed zone here. Come on, this is a no green zone. When you wait this long, you're building mental strength. You are building literal brain cells right now. The longer you hold, you're increasing your willpower. Like, I want to fucking close right now, but I don't. Fuck that, we're hitting a TP. I want my $101. I want my $101. Give me my 100, bitch. Give me my 100, goddammit. Come on, Apple. I want my 101. Was there anything wrong with taking 80? God damn it. I'm never seeing green now. Fuck, I want to close so bad right now. Fuck it, I'll close 70. God damn it, they got me. My willpower was not strong enough there. For some reason, I did not like that green candle. Game plan. Game plan is re-enter off the trend line, go for the next zone. It's just 15,389. Mash. I will do a buy if we see candles go like, if we see 10 candles go sideways, then I will be looking for the buy. But if we just get like a rejection off this wick, I mean, if we get a candle here with the wick, maybe Kangaroo Tail, that'll be a time to continue riding down to the next zone. We got some more bullish divergence now. But we gotta check Apple, okay. Alright, TP would have been smashed. God damn it. My willpower right there. I knew it was gonna hit. Why did I close? Patience. Enter a sell off the trend line. What a turnaround on this account, though. I'll show you guys the detailed report. Look at our equity graph since we started this account. We started with 2,500, went down like 300, got back up about even, and then I had this nasty little bout, this downtrend for about a week, and then the past week, I mean, it's looking like we're about to inch back up. I was down about 1,000 on this account. Now I'm only down about 120. Fuck. I made a lot more today. Only up about 100. I said the goal is 200 to 300. Could have already had that goal if I wasn't a bitch and closed early. We're actually up 113 today. But we need a couple more Benjamins. Oh my god, USD CAD is on that trend line again. We're going to be paying close attention to USD CAD because we might get in a sell. And I'm only going to enter a NASDAQ sell again if we get off this trend line. No, Apple just filled the gap. I could go big on USD CAD though right now. I want to see price go sideways a little bit. That was a quick movement. USD CAD could be a big one too. If I get this entry perfect. Do we go for the standard lot again? But I don't want to, I'm like predicting the fucking top. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth for NASDAQ. Trend line approaching. Apple trend line approaching. Go up here, gap down. You know what? I'm gonna have not quite a standard lot. Not quite a standard lot. I don't want to risk all the profits I just did. Maybe 5 minis? Oops, no, definitely not 1.5 standard. 5 minis. .5. Yeah, that's more about my risk appetite there. We got two setup opportunities. One sell on NASDAQ, one sell on USD CAD. Off the hourly trend line. I'm very close to selling, guys. Very, very close. If this candle wicks, I'm selling. If it wicks, I'm selling. The apple still is not quite hit the gap. We need this shit to wick though for me to sell. 10 seconds. So this is what I think's gonna happen. Apple touches the trend line, and we fill the gap officially. That's my prediction. So that movement would send NASDAQ up a little bit more. But if I know, if I know Apple is most likely at that trend line, I should fucking buy right now. Who's gonna buy on NASDAQ right now? Good morning, iBob. Well, if I enter a buy, I'm not going to go for like 100, 200 bucks. It'd obviously be a scalp. Apple has a shit ton of weight right now. Alright, let's evaluate this. So, what is Apple telling us? I mean, it's obviously rejecting off that. It's making resistance right here in this area. Which is... I'm putting on the sell on NASDAQ. Looks like Apple's going to slightly fill that gap. Which should be perfect for a $30, $40 scalp. I'm only going to go for 1 hour here, guys. If I go 30, 40 profit, I'll close. And if we go 30, 40 negative, I'll also close. We need Apple to hit 149.50. Okay, good morning, Cartos. Okay, Apple officially touched the gap. I'll break even on this. I'm going to break even on it. See if Apple makes a new low, though. Halfway later, our TP. Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't make sense for Apple to bust that zone, right? Damn, it didn't keep going. Break even hit on that. Well, maybe I'll finally try a sell on USD CAD. We still need $100 to $200 for my goal. Okay, so Apple 5-minute trend line might go down more there. Fuck, my TP would have hit. God damn it. I thought we were gonna keep going down, not fucking retest my entry. I don't know why it just clicked to just take out the microscope and look at Apple. Entry wizard. You broke even too? Or are you talking about my trade? I was up like 22 for a minute. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Stocks rally as inflation slows. Kangaroo Tail might be a sell. Alright, we'll enter the sell on this Kangaroo. TP will be at the new low. In kangaroos we trust. Me see kangaroo, me enter trade. TP is at the new low here. TP is at the new low. Break even again immediately. Do we stay bearish? We need a bearish candle. Nah, we're not going to stay bearish candle. Damn it, me. Huh. Alright. This is telling me something. It's telling me NASDAQ is probably going to go up now. Guys, I think NASDAQ is close to reversing. I think it's close to reversing for some reason. The Apple's approaching a very strong trend line. And we're seeing this consolidation bullshit. TP 15,000 maybe? Maybe go back to 15K? I'm shifting bullish right now. I think US 30 is also. Because let's get into the heads of what are most people thinking when they see this? They're thinking sell, right? So we know majority of people are thinking sell right now. Now we know most traders lose. So it might actually be buy time. It might be buy time. Is there any reason to not enter the buy? Is there any reason to not enter the buy? I will try a buy, a small buy though. I'll risk 30 for 50. How about that? 30 for 50. We need another bullish candle. Yeah. Okay, Apple push up. Come on, NASDAQ needs to get in a little profit so I can close though. Let's get a. I think this shit's gonna bounce down now. Shit, nets. So the reason I entered that buy, I figured Apple is gonna touch this trend line. We do get a big bullish. We get a bullish candle right now. But NASDAQ, we didn't get enough stocks on NASDAQ to get that same push. That's what I was looking for. The candle like this. That's why I entered the buy. And see, my TP is asking Apple to break that trend line. Well, we are in profit. I want a green candle. I don't want to give this shit any room. I just want the straight push up to TP. Straight push up to TP. Come on, Nasdaq, keep the push-ups going. The workout is not over. Come on, $50 profit. That's my goal. Fuck it, we'll break even it. We'll break even it. AP or break even? What is it gonna be, guys? Could be break even. I think at this point I can go either way. We do get a wick. What a nail biter trade. I mean, it's only for $50, but the suspense is fucking real. The suspense is real. Finally, after the third candle. Momentum has definitely shifted. My strategy is trend lines and kangaroo tails. Mainly kangaroo tails. But when there's not a kangaroo tail that shows up, you know, I play the retest, I play the open prices. Nothing too complicated. But my major mistake today was not entering the trade off this first Kangaroo Tail. I fucked up there. If I would have taken that trade, I'm up 200, 300 bucks a day. Instead, I'm only up 100 right now. But if you want to see how the strategy is broken down, Mr. Status, go to kangaroohunter.com. US 30 bullish divergence with the Kangaroo Tail now. Maybe. Maybe. Nope, never mind. I think Apple's in a really interesting spot because it could break out and retest the highs, or it completely breaks the trend line and we keep going down. At 35,000 we're at to open. Let me see here. Let's see, where's the 630? No, I don't got one on mine. Right here? Here's the open price. Yeah, opens right there. Maybe the bearish signal on US 30 was that opening candle. Let's see. Because it goes down, retests that. Okay, retest that candle. Yeah, okay, so that retest was right at 35,000. I think we got to find out what is the best liquidity provider that gives us the best candles for NASDAQ and US 30. It's like finding the best gun on Warzone. You're trying to find the best candles. I think we got to consider that. What is the best liquidity candle to be looking at? Probably the one with the most volume, which would be, I don't know. Alright, we got a possible trend line we can get an entry off of, I think. I think the good thing about trend lines is we can get an idea of where a stop loss would be. And it does make sense for the push up to happen now. Ugh, do I try to buy again? Maybe I should try a yellow trade today. Do I risk all my profits? My current $100 on one trade. I'm close to hitting buy right now. USD CAD broke a trend. Well, a lot can happen. USD CAD could close as a kangaroo if we click down. Oh, moment of truth here. If Apple breaks this trend, Nasdaq's gonna keep going down. No, about 90% of the money I have right now is all from Bitcoin. I'm not regularly profitable on Forex yet. I've been trading Forex for almost 2 years now. And I'm just now leveling some shit up. But Bitcoin is how I pay my bills. Guys, I'm gonna enter the buy again. I'm gonna try it one more time. On anticipation that Apple does break the trend. We'll risk about... How much will we risk on this trade? Apple's on an interesting spot right now. I will sell Nasdaq if we break this trend. Our next zone is 15,389. 15,389. Which should probably be also like a good 600, 700 pips if it does drop from there. I'm just gonna get out. I'll take $30 loss. I don't. Shit seems choppy now. I think the best thing to do is do nothing right now. Chop, chop, chop. Well, we're only up 80 for the day now. Today is not going to be the day for the big $200, $300 morning. Every time I had the fucking goal, I don't hit the goal. But when I don't have the goal, it's as soon as I start thinking about the goal, I start fucking up on entries. You can't think about the goal. You can't. They will throw you off. Been a shit ton of mental energy used today already. It's been non-stop basically. These are all the trades we took today. We took 1, 2, fucking 3. We got 3 break-evens, 2 losses, 2 wins. I'm obviously not happy with the profit though. I'm not happy with the profit. I don't think I'd be complaining though if I had $1,000 profit. I'd be cool with it. Need a 10 times bigger account. Yeah. I might take one more trade. One more trade. EP would be 15,389. Apple just broke the trend line. I did say I would enter another trade if it broke, right? I'll do one last trade. EP will be at the zone down here. I'll risk about 35 if it retests where it just broke out. So this is going to be the last trade of the morning, guys. Last trade. So we can get rid of this and just keep this trend line going. Come on, guys. If this trade hits TP, we'll have a $200 day. Can we believe? Can we end the stream off with a bang? In TP we trust. In TP we trust. TP is 15,389. Hi Bob, can we get to 15,389? I will not put break even right now. I want to give this a little room. We'll keep stop at above that candle. In TP we trust. Come on, we want the $200 day. If our stop is hit, we have like a $50 day, which will suck, but nonetheless, whatever happens, we'll still have a profitable day. I'm having flashbacks with this zone. I remember going for buys, and this was our TP for a buy. Let's go. This stream is like the Truman Show for trading. If nobody has seen the Truman Show, you gotta watch that shit. Alright, Apple just retested the 149.50. Apple has bullish divergence also. Could happen to US 30 though. We need Apple to bounce and continue lower lows, lower highs. Let's get the pen out. Go, make a lower low, make a lower low. We hit TP. Oops. And if Apple busts right here, wait, go back, let's make that a different color. If Apple goes above here, I don't think Nasdaq's gonna keep dropping. Because this little mini trend would be broken. It would be broken. And there's no telling how high it'd keep going. Yep. Let's look at Amazon, because Amazon had big news today also. Don't really see anything there. Ah, shit. But also, we don't know what the other 100 or the other 98 stocks are doing on Nasdaq right now. But right now, I'm not too confident about this trade anymore. Pretty sure it's gonna hit my stop loss, and we're not going to 15,389. Alright. I had to do some YouTube comments. I had to respond to that guy finally. NASDAQ looking good. Back to that comment, the dude's like, this dude's so better, he even knows you. You're clearly hating because a man is far greater than you, attention seeker and a loser. I said, I didn't know it's hate to ask where's the proof of a clown claiming to turn $0 to $500,000. Oh wait, this drug dealing clown doesn't have any proof and lies in every video. You know, it's funny, none of his fucking followers have messaged or commented back when I point out that there's no proof. Guys, we're trying to have a $200 morning with live stream proof. Nothing to hide. No, Daniel Savage is not real. He's a marketer. He's a marketer. It's so funny. Mamba FX fucked him over in a business deal, and Daniel Savage went hard. He fucking went crazy on him. And he also, let me show you guys this picture. Mamba FX claimed to turn $400 into $29,000 with a funded account. But there's proof that he never actually completed a funded account challenge. He was handed a funded account. He was literally fucking handed a funded account. Let me pull this picture up. Yeah, Mamba is the greatest copier. He copies Justin. He fucking has his apps. He steals all his shit. Check this out. This is Daniel Savage on the pink. Daniel Savage said, I got curious since you promoted something with no proof of being legit, with no affiliation, and found out the truth. So, Mamba, we'll just call him Scumbag. Well, that's his name. Scumbag said, they paid me a shit ton but didn't give me an affiliate link. I don't think they offer one, but it was hard cash. I don't want to affiliate anymore for nobody. I want upfront shit. And watch next month when I do another deal. No offense, bro. I wouldn't do you dirty on purpose, but upfront money is fire. So, in his last video, he claimed to have completed a funded account challenge. He says he uses FTS whatever. He uses FTS because they offer a good pay package. No. It's basically breaking FTC laws by not telling people you were fucking sponsored, you were paid for that shit. So, he's openly breaking FTC laws now. Oh, by the way, FMS, they filed a copyright claim on Daniel Savage's video for exposing this. Here's what I say. I'd say anybody can trade at one point. But the way they got the big account was through affiliate shit and Daniel Savage trade live. I don't think he can trade live like I do. I don't think he can. They're very, very... See, people like that, they use TradingView. They pretend that they're live trading, but they mark shit up on TradingView, and they're like this, guys. This is how live streamers on TradingView work. They do this. They're like, okay, guys, my entry's right here. My stop loss is going to be above here. Oh, here's my TP, guys. Oh, TP fucking smashed. We're ballers. You know how fucking easy it is to just mark shit up? It's so... Anybody can have like a 90% fucking win rate marking shit up. But as soon as you enter emotion on a trade, as soon as you enter emotion, you ain't gonna be hitting TPs like that. Like, you guys see me do it all the time. I'll mark shit up. I'll be like, that should probably be a stop loss. And then when I enter a trade, my stop loss is actually hit. And then TP smashed. Yeah, see, you can learn enough about trading where you can be talking about trading and to a new person, you're gonna sound like a genius. You're gonna be, oh, this motherfucker knows what he's talking about. Oh, yep. Yeah, about their broker and shit. Come on, NASDAQ. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Live commentary versus live trading. One person who uses, I know Trader Nick uses TradingView, but he's connected to a broker, and he live streams his entries and all that. Yeah, I think Trader Nick is the only one who live trades on TradingView. Honestly, I would trade on TradingView if there was a broker that was regulated to let you trade in indices. Oh, oh, can we hit a PP? We only need about 100 pips. I think it's time to set a break even. Could be a fake out candle, get more people to sell, and then markets get a plan to slingshot back up. Just like what we're seeing now. Just like what we're seeing now. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. We were up like 80. Yeah, that's exactly what it was. I think that was a fake out candle, yo. Getting the sellers excited. Yeah, we see this area on. Oh, shit. I think 15,389 will eventually be hit. It's just gonna take a while. Probably after I'm out of the trade. Yeah. Knew that was a fake out candle. That's why you don't enter sells off a breakout right away. Exactly that. I gotta start doing some trades on that. On the LMFX bonus I got. This will mainly be used to like enter a US 30 or NASDAQ trade on the hourly. They do give you a bonus, but the spreads are bigger. That's the payoff, I guess, you get. Or the trade-off, I should say. But since I got basically a free $1,000 to fuck around with, maybe I can go YOLO on that a few times. But the catch is, let's say you go YOLO on that $1,000 bonus, you make 500 bucks. You can technically only withdraw the $250 because, you know, half of your account is the bonus. Yeah, see, you fucking knew it. Alright guys, we'll finish the day at $80 profit, unfortunately. That candle was a fake out, absolute fake out. So sick. 4 break-evens today. Yeah, I had a FX Choice account like 2 years ago. Yeah, I would mess with Turnkey Mesh, but their affiliate setup is not the best. Oh yeah, he contacted me. He talked shit about my wife. He talked shit about my 8-year-old son. The only thing he could call me was a redneck, though. Oh, and he tried to intimidate. He tried to intimidate me with like, "Oh, show your public address." I'm like, okay, show me your public address. I'll show the picture of you getting a finger stuck up your ass. Like, if you want to fucking play games like that, I'll show everybody the fat, ugly bitch you were messing with on camera. Like if you want to bring my family in it, I'll expose everything. Yes, there is picture proof of that guy getting a finger shoved up his ass. You might throw up. You might throw up though watching it. He don't want anybody to see what his past was like. Oh yeah. Yeah. If you wanna, I'll send it to you on Instagram. Message me on Instagram and I'll send you that shit. If I show it on Twitch, I'll probably get banned, or YouTube. But I can show it to you in a message. You'll fucking laugh your ass off. Ugh. You guys will laugh your ass off. Oh, what do we got going on here? A Kangaroo Tail? It's already 8 though. Guys, I'm just gonna hop off stream now. We traded enough. We took like 10 trades. Update the balance though. We're at 22.54. Let's update the balance real quick. I don't know. It might have been a whole fist. All right, y'all. I'm gonna hop off. It's breakfast time. I'm mad hungry. But we do finish like. I think this is the 4th. Might be the 3rd or 4th profitable day in a row. Try to keep the streak going tomorrow. Everyone have a good rest of the day. Get back to it tomorrow morning.